Okay, Grandma. What are our thoughts on the Egyptian food?
Go and eat.
Okay, this is the snack review. Boom. Almond Crush Pocky. First off, packaging elite. Exactly how you think it would taste. That's how it tastes. Try this drink. That's ass. Yeah, it's just tea. Just tea in a bottle. Sick. That's what I got. It's cost me $5 and it's full of chicken. Really good. You can't, how can you miss $5? Coming at you with another food review. Today we got Bafang dumpling. So we got this, I already ate a couple. There was 5 of these, and I got the soup, and then I got this, all for about $8.50 Canadian. These ones were good. Haven't tasted this one yet. Nice. That's a dumpling, man. Ready? I don't even know what the that is. Gushy, gushy. So, we found out the reason why this tastes so funky. So, this is pig intestine.
They cut in the circle.
And that's why it's so gross.
Okay, that pig intestine is never a Hong Kong Chinese meal. We never had that. I never saw that. It's introduced here from Taiwan, and I think there are a lot of Taiwanese visa students studying at Hong Kong University so that they cannot be homesick.
Okay, food review. I'm walking around in this area called Mongkok, and then I pulled up on this place called Two Cafe. I was hungry, I went in, pulled up, got like pork, curry, rice, and then a milk iced tea with ice. I pay extra for ice. But the total came out to 59 Hong Kong, which is about $10. For what I'm getting, you're about to see it, so that's what it is. We got dessert here. Choco Bali is nuts. Xylophone! Process, it's called the noodle market, so you can tell what it is. Noodles. I'm in a market right now. I got my girl with me. It's me and my girl. I don't even know what this is. I think it's tofu. I have no idea. Leave your comments on what you think this is. Five fish balls out of 7 fish balls. Oh my god. When I tell you this is fantastic, my god. Food came out in 3 seconds. So with my drink and the soup, the total came out to 54 bucks. 9 out of 10 pork giblets. empty. That doesn't look too promising, but is what it is. Is what it is. Get a 5 out of 10 food poisoning. Food review. We're getting that. So now I'm just eating in this park with my boy Toby. A Chinese girl just approached me and said, "Are you Finnish?" And then I said, "No." She said, "Then why are you looking like that?" Meal? A 7.6 out of 10 Finnish.